Hi guys, Amy Hunt, home business expert here. I just want to take the time because I'm so excited to give you some information. Given the situation today and everything that's going on, I've been working really hard to try to find something for you guys. I think you've seen in the other videos I found a free package for Merch Informer. This is far and far outweighs anything I've done so far. So check out the rest of this video to see what I have to offer. So, on Sunday night at 6:30 p.m., mark your calendar, I have a special guest. This special guest has for many, many years been trying to make income from home. He basically perfected failing up, and he was involved in home businesses, as we all are trying, right? And he stopped failing around 2012. Now, have known him since then. So he's actually who helped me create a lot of my home business and my YouTube channel. So I've known him since then, and he averaged in multiple areas an average of six-figure income, and that might not be too much to him at this point, as he's earned millions. And he got very physically tired, mentally tired, and you probably have heard that too, or feel that too, of trying to find this game of trying to make money at home. So he finally found something 3.5 years ago. So we reconnected, and I want to introduce him to you. So I am getting started with him again. We are going to run at this, and I want to teach you and share with you his knowledge and what he has. Sunday night, 6:30 p.m., a live session right here, YouTube, Home Business Expert. We'll see you then.